Is your PUBG Mobile sound not working on your iPhone? In this video, I will walk you through some troubleshooting steps to fix the sound or sound glitch issue in PUBG Mobile. So, let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure your phone is not in silent mode. If it is, then turn off the silent mode. Solution 1. Check game sound settings. Open the PUBG Mobile app, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner, tap settings, tap graphics and audio. Now tap on the audio tab. From the audio controls, make sure that all of the options are at maximum position, including master volume, SFX, UI, and background music. Then check your problem. Solution 2. Check iPhone sound settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap haptics and sounds. Make sure to have the volume at the maximum level. Get back, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap audio and visual. Scroll down again, and keep the audio balance to the middle position to 0. After following these steps, hope your PUBG Mobile no sound issue is fixed. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comments section. And as always, thanks for watching.